In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity on Stripe easily in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to stripe.com. It's important to use a secure internet connection to keep your information safe. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top of the page for the sign in button. Click on this to start the process of accessing your account. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the correct email associated with your Stripe account, and double check your password to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered these details, click sign in again to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Your next step is to go to the home section. This is typically located in the top menu, so click on home to open it. In the home section, you'll want to look to the top right corner of the page and find the setup guide. Clicking here will help you configure your account settings. In the setup guide, look for an option that says complete your profile. Click on this to begin entering your verification details. This process is crucial as it ensures that the information linked to your account is accurate and up to date. You'll need to fill out all required fields, which might include your personal identification details and business information if applicable. After completing your profile with all the necessary verification details, you should see an option to review and finish your entries. Make sure to review your information carefully before moving on, as any discrepancies might delay the verification process. Once satisfied, click on Review and Finish. The last official step on Stripe's site is clicking Agree and Submit. By doing this, you affirm that all the information you've provided is accurate and that you've met all the requirements Stripe has put forth for identity verification. Click on this to finalize your submission. Finally, it's important to note that Stripe may send you an email asking for additional documentation or IDs to complete the verification process fully. Be sure to check your email regularly and respond promptly. This could include scanning and submitting government-issued identification or other pertinent documents. And there you have it, those are the steps to verify your identity on Stripe efficiently. It's a straightforward process, but remember to keep your information accurate and your documents handy to ensure a smooth verification experience. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful